Have you ever seen something forgotten, abandoned, broken beyond repair, and wondered if it could ever breathe again? A lonely street, cracked pavement, shattered glass on the ground, the silence heavy with stories no one tells. There it stands, dented, rusted, lifeless, but behind the scars hides a forgotten history. Most people would walk away, they'd see wreckage. I see potential. This isn't just about fixing metal and machines. It's about reviving what was left to die. It's about proving some stories deserve a second chance. Cinematic pause, heartbeat sound. Because every dent, every scratch, every broken piece whispers the same thing: I'm not done yet. The journey begins now.